In this chapter, we'll start into MySQL, the database most often paired with PHP. First things first, what is a database anyway? Well, it is a place to save your data. It is a container that is not reliant on the user's web browser that will hold information specific to the customer, to the website, or any kind of information that is relevant to your PHP scripts. MySQL is a database server. It maintains and manages the data in a format that makes it easy for you to retrieve. Within MySQL, you have actual databases or schemas. Within each database, you have tables of data. These tables contain rows of data, with each row consisting of one or more columns, just like a spreadsheet. The first thing you need to know is where to get more information. As I mentioned in introducing PHP, it is important to know where you can look up information when you need it. That place would be mysql.com. At mysql.com, you have access to a plethora of information about MySQL and about using MySQL. The first place to check for information is the documentation. This is located under the Developer Zone and Documentation. I most often use the Searchable with User Comments documentation. This allows you to enter the term that we're looking for and find many results. There are also links here to certification information, certification FAQ, and guide. Also on the MySQL website, you can find the latest stable and development releases of MySQL. If you're comfortable with upgrading the systems on your computer, this is where you can get the downloads to do so. Again, under Developer Zone and Downloads. MySQL, like PHP, is an open source product, meaning that you can download and use it for free. Make sure that you understand the license before you download it, however. There are some restrictions on how you can use it if you are embedding and reselling it as a part of your own commercial solution. At the time this movie was made, the latest stable MySQL release is 4.1.13, and the development release is 5.0.9 beta. A word of advice, stay away from the beta and other development releases. They are not stable and are meant for people that will test them and find and report bugs. If you're starting out in MySQL, you do not want to go there, as you'll often come across bugs that will cause you problems. There's more to see on mysql.com, and we'll go over a few more of those resources in the next movie.